Steve Ladon, MarineMax Boston. We are on our 2024 Boston Whaler 150 Montauk. This is the beginning of the Montauk lineup. Powered with a Mercury 60. The beauty of the Montauk is it's a hose and go, really simple. You can put a nice cooler back here, but you do have some nice space for a 15-foot boat. Reversible helm chair, you can face aft, you can stand, you can sit, so kind of some different options there. Your 12-gallon fuel tank is stowed below. Easy to fill at the pump, or if you're getting on the water, you can fill up without moving too much of the gas. You can slide. You don't have to slide out much. You got your fill nice and accessible there. Boston Whaler redesigned the Montauk lineup in 2019 or 2018. Nice blank redesigned helm, so you can fit a 9-inch screen there. You do have your Mercury SmartCraft telemetry there. Moving forward, this boat does have the fish pack, which gives you a cooler, seat, cushion, and some rod holders. And then we've also equipped this boat with a bow cushion. If you're going to be putting the boat on a sandbar, we've opted for the split bow rail, so you can get to your line anchor setup, and you could board the boat easily, both on and off, utilizing the split bow rail. For more information on this 150, please reach out at 774-991-3880. Again, Steve Ladon from MarineMax Boston.